Hey, all you 6th grade mathematicians. Let's do lesson 125, which is called Evaluating Expressions. So we have seen, hopefully, problems like this, wherein we have a letter that substitutes for a number. So we have 15 plus a equals 27. What is a? And in other words, what do we need to get from 15 to 27? Well, we could do our addition, which we should. Another way of doing this, though, is subtraction. 27 minus 15, which we know is 12, and that checks out because 15 plus 12 equals 27. Therefore, a equals 12. But what about if we have mostly letters or just letters? We have to get the numbers for them and then solve the problem, and that's what this lesson is all about. All right, so how about this one? We have a equals half and bh. Well, we know, as the book tells us, that if we have two letters with nothing in between them, we have to do multiplication. It gives us b, which is 8 centimeters, and it gives us h, which is 5 centimeters. 8 times 5, we know, is 40, but we multiply it by half. Therefore, half of 40 is 20. 20 what? 20 centimeters. But not just 20 centimeters, but 20 centimeters squared, because we multiply that centimeter twice, right? Or we have, I should say, we multiply centimeter by centimeter, therefore it's squared, right? 1, 2. So we use our exponents, centimeter squared. Okay. What about that first practice problem when we have d equals rt? Well, it gives us r, which is 45 miles per hour, and it gives us t, which is 8 hours. So we know we're going to multiply these two numbers. Let's do the units real quick, though. We've talked about canceling units before in a previous lesson. We see that we have two different units here, but we have some similarities. Hours, we have miles per hour and hours. So because we see hours twice, we're going to cancel it. And then we're just left, which I kind of did already, but I'm going to do it even more so right now. We're just left with miles. Get rid of that per too. Therefore, we know the answer. The unit has to be miles for that answer. All right, so 45 times 8. I'll just tell you now, you can do your long form multiplication. But 45 times 8 is 360. So it's 360 miles, because 45 times 8, 360. D is 360 miles. All right, so remember, we have two letters with nothing in between them. We have to multiply, and it'll give you the numbers, and you just plug everything in, and you will get the answer by doing the arithmetic there. So finish the practice and then do the problem set. Thank you very much.